existing FNG system to be verified whether they can connect it or not.
Sir, Rakesh sir already
Yeah.
informed to ABB. This
Okay.
existing system is by ABB. So they are going there in 12 and 13, 12 and 13 February. So they have confirmed that system is by themselves. So they will be taking, considering those IOs.
No, ABB, okay, but
FNG control system.
But okay, that documentation, everything is developed by you, right? I mean, the design documentation.
Yeah, based on ABB's ADQC.
Okay.
We are engaging them.
You are
in the-
engaging ABB.
engaging them. Yes.
No problem. You
So,
put it as a point. So when it is when they confirm it, you close that point with the evidence of the ABB's adequacy report or whatever it is.
Okay.
Rakesh, can you dictate this recommendation?
Better not to put over here. Maybe is there any other point? Just hold on, Chairman. What is the other interface issues? Anything?
Interface will be there. Interface is there.
Adequacy. Any adequacy guideboard? Something?
No, interface is there. I remember. Instrument interface is there.
Under instrumentation section where you have this, junction
ICSS
boxes.
logic.
ICSS or junction boxes. You can take it in that part.
Yes.
Here. Okay.
Review the adequacy of existing FNG system.
Okay, let me put another recommendation.
I think delete that. Review the shift. Delete that one, yellow one.
Rakesh sir, the ICSS logic modification in that you can mention. 49 row.
49, under 49.
49. In that you add and then add.
Yeah, Bolo, what is the recommendation? Adequacy?
Ensure adequacy of the existing FNG system has to be verified by considering the installation of new FNG devices.
Yes.
FNG ensure
system
shall be
verified.